Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Handmade by Ying with Donna. Today is June the 29th, and what a way to end out the month of June other than a weekday hack. So today's little hack is our irons and simple ways that we can take care of them that's cost effective but does a fabulous job with very little work. So I'm going to give you the little hack that I use, and it's wonderful. It's simple. It's equal parts of salt and apple cider vinegar. Does not hurt your iron, does not clog your iron at all. You're not going to be pouring it in your iron. You're going to dab and rub. And I'm going to show you how simple it is. I'm keeping one for the dry and one for the wet. So all I'm going to do is I'll show you my iron pre-game. See how nasty it is? Got a lot of buildup right in through here. So all I'm going to do is dab it in. And I don't want the apple cider vinegar on my cutting mat. But all I'm going to do is rub it on. And you're going to see all the funk that comes off. And take it all the way around, because I get up in my corners with stuff. And it just cleans your iron like magic. So all you're going to do is rub it. And like everybody gets a little bit of, whether it's starch buildup or whatever, on our irons. No matter how careful you are, it happens. So this is a one hack wonder. And I just rub it on for a second, flip it over, and rub it again. And where I had a little bit of glue on it from a stabilizer has came off on this. So now I'm going to pick up the second one, and I'm just going to dry it even around the sides where I touched it, and just give it a good dry. You've not got it up in your holes or anything, and your iron is good as new and ready to go for your next projects. So let me show you another one. I'll do it on my second iron. As you can see, it's got a lot of gunk here and here, and I've got stabilizer stuck here on it. So I'm going to repeat the process, and I'm just going to get this wet with the apple cider vinegar and the salt solution. I don't want it to go up in my holes, so I don't have it like dripping wet. And all I'm doing is rubbing it over, and it picks it right up and it comes right off. Even though my iron is non-stick, this is the best way to take care of it. And if I got any around the edges, I also do around the edge, just to make sure that I'm picking up everything. Dry your iron, and it's that simple. And everything is off of my iron now. So I'm just going to give it a quick dry to make sure there's nothing showing and everything came off. I'm going to make sure. And there it is. My iron is clean again. Simplest hack. Works perfect every time. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar is all I have. 2 teaspoons of regular table salt, the iodine. Doesn't really matter. The directions that I found online years ago. It's really simple. You warm it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. If you like the smell of vinegar, your room's going to smell like vinegar for a minute. And just dab like I did, and you're done. So that's your hack of the week to end out the month of June. Hope your summer's going great and fabulous. If you like the content that we share, please like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications so that you'll be notified each and every time that we go live. We appreciate each and every one of you, and thank you for helping us grow. You have a great rest of the week, and I'll see you back here in July. Bye.